sounded like he was like worried.
I love the black race.
I love the gay race.
It's not a race.
I love the gay blacks.
No, it's not.
I like gay
I was
blacks,
born this way.
also known as blaze.
Preference,
Blaze?
it's
Really?
choice.
They're hot blazes.
What about the other races?
The other races?
Yeah.
You disagree?
I don't know.
Maybe you should.
I should expand my
Did you choose to be
my friendships. No, wait. No, wait, everything.
full of shit?
To other countries.
Well, they're not ready for all this. Let's be honest.
No, it's when you go through.
Were you sexually attracted to men and got stimulated by their appearance?
I think I was too young to be sexually attracted to anybody. But, you know,
That's a good question. Do you think that being gay is a choice, a preference, or is something you're born with?
I do believe that you're born with it, but you guys are the experts. Like, who am I to say? I mean, that's what I believe.
No,
in
you
here.
can say because whenever you were a little girl, did you make a conscious choice to go after boys? Well,
So I do believe that you're born with that disposition, but
I believe Josh hates this line of questioning.
maybe like who's to say that nurture doesn't affect that either?
I think what nurture does is gives you the level of what you are. Like if you're a straight guy brought up in a household where sports are very important, like competitively, not just fun, where you have a very strict kind of this is how family life should be kind of thing, then that in of itself will make you be a straighter person. Maybe you'll treat maybe you'll treat
I'm
women
totally gonna blow
less.
your theory out of the water.
I know he is. But maybe treat women.
How do you explain gay
Drag queens?
professional sports guys?
They were born gay, and in a household where sports was important.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I know you already had it there.
I know. I'm good. Thank you.
That was a lovely waitress.
Did you she loves to be filmed?
Did you catch her name? I didn't get her name. Did you know her name? We're gonna call her Marcy.
name's still Meadow.
Meadow.
That's what they look like.
It's very misogynistic.
I'm very excited.
No, you're not. You respect women more than any straight.
That doesn't mean you like massages.
I thought that's what we're talking about. I really need the massage.